All right, so I bought this a lot of coins off eBay from Portugal. One of my favorite things to do, I don't know if it's necessarily good advice, is I'll find coin lots from foreign countries that take a while to ship here. So when I get it, I don't really remember what was in the package. So it's kind of like a nice surprise. So I went ahead and cut the addresses off so you can't see it, but you can tell it has these nice Portuguese stamps on it. After when I started opening it up, it's like it's wrapped in a Portuguese grocery store flyer, so that's kind of cool. Now, I don't remember exactly what was in here, but I know there's some foreign coins, maybe some stuff from the 1800s. I was guessing, and like I said, I don't remember exactly what was in here, but if I didn't think it was a good deal, I wouldn't have bought it. So let's get in here and see how we did. Oh, we got a lot of paper. Okay, just kind of in there. Sweet. Sure we can get them all. Oh, they're stuck to the tape. Alright. Here they don't have Ziploc bags in Portugal. Some carded coins. Some loose ones. Oh, here we go. It's stuck there though. So it's coming out. Okay. The first one we got was a 1831 large cent. Looks like it would have been absolutely gorgeous, but someone drilled a hole in it. Well, it's a start. I like it. A little bag of mixed stuff. Get some fun in there. What is this? Another thing I like is I like when they have them marked. I'm not sure. This to me it says 10 euros. It's a 1910. Looks like Italian coin. This is Republic of Chile. 20 centavos with an S mint mark. Alright, so we got, this is, it's marked 7.5 euros, 2.5 cents. Oh, from the Netherlands, 1877. It's a fun coin. This one's marked 40 euros, but it's taped in there. Is there a coin in here? Oh. Guessing it's something ancient or dug. I don't really know much about those. So I have to get this checked out. Alright, so let me get these away and we'll start going through the coins. Like we got a lot to go through. Put that guy back in there. We'll save him for later. Alright. Okay, looks like we got a 1907 Indian cent. It's another one of those 2.5 cents. This one says it's worth 40 euros. We'll have to get that one checked out. 1894. So another Italian 10 centesimi. Centesimi. Please, anyone who speaks Italian, I'm butchering that. Please forgive me. We got an 1880 Netherlands. So they have it marked. No, another one of those 2.5 cents. They have this one marked at 10 euros. We got another Italian 5 centesimi. They have it marked at 20 euros. Like I said, I'm not really sure off the top of my head what exactly all of these are worth, but we'll have to get them checked out. That one is in, looks like, fantastic shape. Maybe these prices are right. If they were, we did really good. This one 20 euros. XF25. Yeah, I like it. And those 1877, 2.5 cents, 10 euros. Oh, another American coin. Got a 1937 Buffalo nickel. I will be very excited if this has, what? Oh, got 4 legs. All right, put that in the American pile. We have a, like 1884, looking like another Netherlands. This one's marked at, let's say 75 euros. Have to look all these up. 1905 One Heller coin. They have that one marked at 10 euros. So if all these prices are accurate, I'm gonna have to look them all up. I'll have to go back and get them all checked out. But if these prices are accurate, we did pretty good. Here is a 1895, another Italian 10 centesimi. That one's not in as great a shape. All right, Island of Roar. Not really sure on that one. $19.40. Oop. Another one we have to look at. Get off that book. It's another 1905 Italian. Got a lot of Italian coins in here. 1870 Skilling. It says 30 euros on it. I'm gonna have to bust out the book. Oh, 1937 Buffalo. I love it when they give you American coins and foreign coin lots just because they're foreign to them, but they are what I like collecting. Got another Italian, the 10 centesimi. This one is 1867. I got a feeling that these are going to be pretty valuable, so when I bust out the book, we'll have to do a recap and see how much you made. This is in 1867. It says it's marked at 40 euros. Getting a lot of time. A whole bunch more. All right. 1862, 10 euros, 1866. That's a nice sharp looking one. 45 euros. Hope the prices are accurate. Another 10, 1866. 45 euros. I really don't know how to grade these ones that well either. I mean, they look like they're in good shape to me, but I don't really try to grade a lot of foreign coins. So I went to go to find one of my friends at a coin shop who knows more about them. Have them checked out. This is what year is that? It's an 1863. 10 euros. Got our 1878 doesn't look 1 cent. It does not look like one of the Italian ones. So I'm guessing it's from the Netherlands. There. Okay, this one. Okay, I remember this coin. This is one of the ones that caught my eye. This is a 1994. It's South Africa. South Africa 5 Rand. It's the presidential inauguration edition. So this one is celebrating Nelson Mandela. So that's actually a good looking coin. I'm not sure the price off the top of my head. I'll have to look it up, but I do think it says mintage of 10,000. So I'm guessing that this is going to be a decently priced coin. Let's keep that one out to the side. Another Indian head, just 1902. Nothing special about that guy. Maybe marked at 40. Huh. Where they mark the other ones at? Maybe they're worth more in Portugal than they are here? All right. Not sure how they did that. Let's go through. All right, these are Australian, modern, nothing really good there. Australian 50-cent piece, 20 cents. Okay. All right. Got this for the carded coins. So we got here. Okay, cool. This is 1804, the island of Sumatra. This says 20 cents on one side. Solomon Islands. Nice. There is King George VI. This is a 1950 New Zealand half crown. I don't think that's silver though, but still, it's a good looking half crown. It's 12.5 centimos from, Venezuela, 1944. Do me a favor, if you see anything that sticks out to you, let me know in the comments. Some of these languages I can't read, so I'm not sure what the value is going to be until I have someone else look at them. But if you do recognize anything that I should hold on, or you want to see me throw in the eBay store, let me know, especially this one. Can anyone read that? Help me out if you could. It's nice heavy copper though. And we got a 1944, 5 centavos, that's 5 gramos. This one looks like another one that's in Arabic. It's got a sword on it. We got a Canadian 1925 nickel. That's just a common date, I believe. 10 centavos from Chile. This is a Japanese sen coin. Just look through anything else here that looks fun. Another couple that are in language I don't understand. Yep, again, another one that I don't understand. This one is, oh cool, this one's from Brazil, 1907. You see that there? 500 reais. It's a fun coin. It looks like it's a nice shape. Looks like maybe Liberty with a cap on. Then this is British. 1933, 1 shilling. It's going to go in the silver pile. Cool. Found some silver. Little tiny guy, 10 cents, 1974 believes. Okay, that's probably not going to be worth much. This was an old one. This is the East India Trading Company. That's a cool coin. East India Trading. It is from, looks like 1853. Sweet. It's 1/2 pice. Go look that up in the book. Another Chile, 1928, 5 centavos. 1936, 10 centavos. 1/10 of a penny. Edward VIII. Okay, British West Africa. I like those. They kind of got the hole in them. Kind of a cool looking coin. We'll have to look that one up. 20 francs de France, 1929. That's a big looking heavy coin. I'm guessing it's probably silver too. We'll look that one up. All right, now here are some of the stuff that I probably remember getting. Looks like they're stamped coins. This says, I got no idea what that is. Can anyone help me? Take that to my coin shop, see if one of the experts knows. Got a couple more like this one. Looks like it's in a rough shape, but I'm guessing it's old. I think it's old enough to be medieval. And this is a Skilling, Dance Skilling. Looks like it was minted in 1807. Looks like it's a Danish coin. Let's get that guy checked out. America Central, 5 centimos. Oh, cool. This is from 1938 Costa Rica. Cool little guy. 2 centavos, Republic de Argentina. All right. All right, guys. So let me get my book. I'll put this video up. I'll get my book out. So I don't know what all of these are worth. I might go visit my friend at the coin store. Have him help me out. This is a 1883 Argentina. It's a good looking coin. All right, so this is part 1 of the video. I'm gonna go look up these coins. I'm gonna go to the store, get a couple of them that I don't know checked out, and then I'll come back and let you know what they're all worth, how we did. Put some coins up in the eBay store, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment if there's anything that you like, that you want to see put in the store, or if you can help me identify any of the ones that I can't read. But look for the next video. It should be coming in a few days, and we'll find out how we did and help identify the coins and find out what they're all worth. Thanks for watching.